Last question of the biographical section. How do you see the evolution of your poetry from your earlier life till the present, till now?
Yeah. As far as poetry is concerned, I can talk mainly about the English poetry and the Urdu poetry. English poetry, I used to write, at that time we used to write only with rhyming, like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how are you, that sort of, we used to have that rhyme scheme. Nowadays, the rhyme has become old fashioned. Nowadays, the English writers are writing more in free verse than in the original rhyming, what we used to learn when we were small. So, and I have experimented with like different genres of uh,
Poet.
what do you call verse of poetry. Yeah, and as I said, uh, I mean, ghazal has been my favorite topic. I mean, it's such a vast what do you call canvas that you can write anything, and you have to be brief, but you have to be make your point in 2 lines. So I also I have written a book of English ghazals, which is something. I mean, you need to they say it is something new, something special. Okay. And in Urdu, I started off writing, just like that, and then only Radif Kafiya knowing that much only. But then I was encouraged very much by my peers and all that. Then after meeting these two ustads, I write better without mistakes. And also, I decided to, to read Urdu books, you need to know the language. And Urdu is such a beautiful language both in seeing and in writing. So I learned the Urdu script from Jamia Millia Islamia. And so now I can read, write, and even type in phonetic Urdu, of course. That's that's it. So, and along this time, I think when I started publishing my books, I said after retirement, early retirement. And now I have published about 25 books on the world. That's my what do you call or my children. I've got so many children plus my original two children because each book is like a child. One more thing, I was one more stepping stone type. I was invited to the University of Calicut, and they have also taken some of my poems for their syllabus, Urdu syllabus. I am not a no, no, I am not a PhD, but somebody is doing a PhD on me. That's